drain. Brain drains means emigration of talented and skilled people from one country to a highly developed countries. And the brain drain term was first coined by United Kingdom in 1960 when their highly skilled workers goes out to highly developed countries like USA, Germany, etc.
Yes, it is
From
a major
United
problem for
Kingdom, also
the
the Royal
developing countries,
Society.
and it is a bane for the developed countries. And India is also facing this type of problems. So many skilled and well-educated person migrate from India and work in another country.
There are many reasons which leads to
where the
migration.
Indian highly skilled worker traveled another countries for the better of their life and better opportunities.
Cause of brain drain, lack of opportunity, political infrastructures or poor infrastructures, money or fight to freedom.
There are many things that leads to brain drain, like corruption and some social issues, some political issue, that people don't like such things and they migrate to some other country to feel free and to earn good.
I think the
In the main issues of the brain drain is the lack of opportunities in any nation, which leads to such point. In this brain drain, nation loses its.
There is a lack of
nation
quality
loses its
education
talent.
is also lacking in India because most of the MBBS students go abroad for their MBBS studies.
Also the lack of
because
pay for
in
the
India
skilled
there are
people
many
is a reason to this.
In the brain drain, when United Kingdoms, the society was there named Royal Society, which pointed India and termed it a brain drain because at that time some talented engineers and doctors were moving out from India due to their lack of opportunity. They were not.
Brain drain is causing a great damage to our country. Many great leaders and CEO of great companies are from India, like Sundar Pichai and some other, who contribute to other countries, and it gives less security to our country.
Unemployment is also a major reason. There are less recruitment and there are more candidates who apply for the jobs.
The economy of a country entry is a very play a very important role for his country.
Style is very poor, so they move to other countries for a better lifestyle. And in India, the reason for the brain drain is the lack of opportunity and lack of employment opportunity for
Also,
the people.
the population level, rising in population in India is a great reason for the brain drain, as many of people are unemployed and they don't get any opportunity to, and also the skilled pay.
Yes, my friend, as all my friends have said that population is suffering, that they went to other countries more and more amount. According to a survey of Home Ministry, about 6 lakh people are migrated to other countries in last 5 years from India to other countries in order to get employment there.
I have seen that in Haryana also, every third graduate is unemployed, which shows that people don't find any opportunities so that they can indulge themselves in some activities or due to which they leave their country. Which
In India,
leads to brain drain.
35% of IITians move abroad for their better opportunities or for many international companies. Because in India there is no opportunity for highly skilled.
But there are also many people who love their country, like a great hockey player was there. He even denied to Hitler and said that our country is not for sale.
A latest example we can say that in Canada-US border, a Gujarat family was found dead, so that they moved from India to Canada on a traveling visa, and they want to leave Canada also for just USA so that they can find.
I think the main reason is that the country which is developing is unable to provide a better environment for their country members, but the developed country provide a better environment for the research and
Yes,
other innovation.
my friend, developed
I agree
countries
with
are
you, but the
attracting.
point is that the people migrate to other countries, they can contribute to our country and they can help in developing it.
If only they contribute that, then only
another country.
if the people who are leaving their country, if they don't go outside and they contribute their country,
Then our
Many
country will
people
develop.
go
our
outside
country
for
will
the higher education
and
and they-
people will rush to our
after
country.
they-
No, if
complete
the
the
country
studies,
members
they-
go outside and work there and get into the is a homeland and get the information
if
and
this
they
is
can
a
contribute a lot.
They contribute
Last
to other
10
countries.
10 years
They
in
supply
today's-
all the skills to other
in
countries.
today's
New
example also we
innovation
can
cannot
say
be done without going outside.
No, this is not the
Excuse
way. We people are very talented in India. There is so much talent. We people are going outside. We are making them rich, but we can't. We are not
Yes,
even
my
making
friend,
our
developed
country.
countries are
Google also says that they will open their plant in India.
Yes,
which
everyone-
says that it
everyone
was an
want
Indian
to-
mind goes outside and he will contribute for India,
Everyone
which will
want
be
to
remembered full lifetime.
check his potential and want to grow in their field. So
Problem-
everyone
Last
wants
10
better
years
opportunity.
Last
The main
10
problem
years
is
ago,
also
China is
providing
also
better
suffering from
opportunity, they can
the
contribute
China is
to
also
India.
suffering from the
After
brain
work,
drain
they
problem.
Due to
But
some
now,
facility issues, they go outside and they work for other countries.
Yes.
After
How
that
can you say
they
that
after
going outside
Not
is
only
bad?
for
After getting good
facilities,
facilities,
We
they
are
are
not saying going outside is bad, but we can contribute to our country. We can stay here.
After
we can
getting
work
they-
for our country.
in the people who rush to outside countries, they feel better after getting good facility.
from last 10 years ago, China is also suffering from the brain drain. But he calls back their scientists, come back and give them better opportunities, highly wages
Yes,
and
this
infrastructure.
can also be done
and
with
they
our
can
Indian
able to-
country, India. We can provide
come
good
back 70,000
salary to the
scientists,
skilled
and now
people in our
India is
country.
one of the developed
Yes,
country
problem
in the
of
world.
brain drain can be solved by growing tertiary sector, which will provide employment to many youngsters. They will work in industries and gain their experience, which will help them to know their work good, and they will work for country. They will not go for other options to work. When they will get a job in our country, it can be overcome.
Yes, my friend, India is only focusing on primary and secondary sector, but we can see the example in highly developed countries which focus on the tertiary sector and on the technology. This is the main reason. That's why people go outside and they like to work with them.
Yes,
Government should also
mostly
work on the
developed
education
countries
infrastructure
are
also.
focused on tertiary sector. No developed country focuses on primary or secondary sector. It can be can be reason to
it's true,
overcome.
but if primary and secondary sector, primary and tertiary sector will be great, then only we can say secondary or the last sector it will be great.
Can you please elaborate what is the primary and secondary and tertiary sectors?
Primary sector belongs to jobs related to environment like wood cutting, farming, etc. Secondary sector is related to industries, etc. And tertiary sector provides them a way and helps them in their works.
According to index,
Private
India's
sector
rank
means
is better than
production-
before.
production of things,
In
and secondary sector belongs to
2021,
the
India's
industries
rank
and
is
transport.
5.6 points, which is fall from at earlier times. India's rank is 5.50 and all India's average rank is 5.25, but still India's rank is above average. So we have to
In
concentrate.
2014, when India's economy is continuously growing, then many of the Indian people who go abroad come back to India. When the China
And also we can
US
rate it up
and-
faster by doing some educational, by improving our education sector and also increasing the employment.
Yes,
we can
yes.
reverse the
Indian government
brain
should
drain.
also work on the higher education policies, because many of the students go abroad for the doing is higher education.
Yes,
And
Yes,
by
yes.
doing
in
studies,
India there
they
is
get
the
employment
fees of
there
the
and
MBBS
they
and
don't
other
come back. They
courses is very high.
work for
is very
other
high
countries.
for
Yes, my friend, government is taken some steps like opening more and more schools, colleges, universities and institutes, but this cannot be a proper solution, because the quantity of study does not matter. This matters is that quality, that what kind of quality is provided in that particular school
We
or
have to
college.
improve our
No,
quality,
we have to
quality of
increase the
education, because in
education
India
standard.
there is no any IIT which
There is
stands
also
in
lack of
100
operators and
positions.
tools for the research, and that's
And
why
we can
government
say
needs
that
to provide better
India is
facility
a-
for research and provide
India is a
funds for the
great
people.
hub for youth mind. That is why foreign companies like Google, Microsoft, they rush to IITs and IITs just for the fresh mind of the youth, so that they can recruit and they can
That is why
better.
we should increase our standard and we should increase industries in our country so that the people in our country are employed in our country only.
Government should also work on the healthcare system, because after
previously,
doing MBBS, all the students go
Pre-
abroad for doing their MD,
previously,
because they did not want
Campaign was
doing
launched by
work in
Mr.
our
Narendra Modi.
hospitals.
Make in Bharat. We can say that Make in Bharat was for this only brain drain, so that people won't rush outside. They should don't do
Workshops
anything.
and
But
clubs can be organized to increase and utilize the youth power. They will enhance their ability, and they can also learn from them. And when they learn, companies will also attract, and they can even open their own country.
Also
Yes,
we
my
should
friend.
encourage the story of great leaders who has who
Our
has
Indian
rejected,
government also
who has
has
rejected
started
the
a
offer
startup
of
day for the
great
youth, which was celebrated on
countries
16
and
January.
Also, Make in India program started by our government, which encourage people to work for their country and also provide many opportunities for the people.
we
Yes,
have
my
to
friend, recently
encourage
PM
stories of
scholarship
great
scheme
leaders
is
who
launched
have
by our government,
sacrificed
under which
everything for their
500
country.
students are getting scholarship of about 75,000, so they cannot borrow to went outside at their own.
Classes should also be given at school level, that how the children can utilize their work
And
and
how the
find
country is
their
affecting our country economy.
find their talent in which sector they can do better. By this they will know where in which field they will work, and they will do best in their field, and they will open their own institutes.
Yes,
And
my friend, our
In India, there
government
is
also
a
focus
new
on
policy,
the new
education policy.
in
In
which
this
coding is
education
started
policy,
from 6th
CBSE
class.
started
We can
the
say
workshop
that,
classes
the-
for students. Then they
From whole we can say that
talented
country's
students
economy
can do
is
workshop
affected
and can-
because the people who are going outside, they can stay in our country and make their own startups and do everything here, due to which our economy will increase, which will help in our GDP growth and etc. And it will reverse the whole process. Brain drain. Other countries will rush to our
Yes, my
rush to our
friend, this
country.
is also helps in exchange of ideas, and there
And
will ideas
if it
come
will,
in our country,
and if it
and
will,
need
the
to
whole
investment
process will
in our
reverse.
country
Then
for people.
international relations, we can say
Corruption
that.
is also said to be a great problem for brain drain. Due
India also
to
started
corruption,
a
people
scheme
from our
reverse brain
country
drain, but
go
that
to
is
other
not
countries.
as successful in India.
COVID-19 pandemic has not only bad effects on our economy, but it has some good effects also. Under this condition in brain drain, most of the foreign NRIs visit India back, and they now started to live here and contribute to their country now.
Region of brain drain is vary from region to region.
Yes.
And we can see that in the Afghanistan, where the war disturbance is main reason for them, so they go outside for.
We are encouraged
can be-
about our culture. We will start many things like yoga. People from other countries are also starting yoga and etc. things. They are
We can say
encouraged
the
our
whole-
culture. Our culture is very ancient, and it attracts people from foreign countries. They come to see our temples, statues,
Also in
and
the
largest
slaves,
pandemic,
etc.
the largest nation,
It will
China and
help in
Japan, they are-
economic sector also. When they come, their taxes are taken, which help in growing our economic sector. New industries can be made by utilizing that taxes.
Also in this
etc.
pandemic era,
I can give example of my
are
points
considered
that
as a
the
good
Indian
problem,
culture-
and
Indian
they are good
culture is
solutions
great.
to all the problems. So people are getting encouraged, as India is the main leader of meditation and yoga.
Not only
Rewards
meditation,
India by this, and
other people countries come to our country to learn martial arts, etc. Now our culture is
If Indian government focus on the development of IT sector,
many
automobile sector
modern
and medical
things,
sector,
they
then
went and
it
they
can
forget our
help to conquer
culture.
the problem of brain drain.
I think those people who are working outside, they can help their homeland by resolving the issue about with their government, and they can collab with the government. How can they solve this type of problem?
Our
What is the
tourist
attitude
sites
of
are also
responsible
affected
citizen
because
also,
of
if they go outside for the higher education, so they have to go back in our country and start
yeah,
helping
the
people.
policy
by
should be made that
investing
if
in
It's
students
a-
are going outside
I
for
can
their
say it's
studies,
a-
then they
I have
have to
read-
come back and should contribute some years to their country. Affecting
our brain
tourism
drain.
of the country,
Because
it is not
students
affecting
are
the brain
afraid
drain.
of terrorism because they don't feel safe in our country. It is the matter of security also.
Yeah,
Yes,
this
we
is-
will take,
this is
the
a good
example of
reason
Afghanistan
brain
in
drain.
this.
People in our country they don't think them politically safe, so they migrate to other country to feel free, to enjoy.
Okay,
the
conclude.
We can say that it's a today's rising topic and brain drain.
So
The
friends,
whole
to overcome the brain drain, we should encourage the educational standard of our country and some other. We should also improve the
Yes, we can.
population.
The problem can be resolved by improving the infrastructure and the basic facilities given to the students, so that they,
And
can,
the-
they would get better facilities from
And
their
the-
homeland.
and
only
the
government
wages
can
given-
solve it
given
by
to the peoples
only government
who
can solve
working
it by
peoples
giving better
for-
opportunities to
by their
in
talent.
every sector and
That's why from
and
brain
when
drain
they
become-
try
them
to
according to their skill
decrease
and
the
not by their
unemployment rate.
age.
brain
Yes,
drain
ma'am,
become major
yes.
cause of major concern of our country, and government need to provide better facilities and better incentive for the
Yes,
students
people
also.
can make can learn about assets. They will save for them, and after some time when they are studied and graduated,
Government should
or
also
they
encourage some
take
policies
sports,
to
they will
decrease the brain
use
drain.
that
They should-
asset as their startup, and they will not only help they will help other also in this sector.
Yes, government should provide and support the innovative ideas of the students from, I think, every school.
Positive
We
side
work
of
for
it-
their country.
The positive
We are
side of the
innovat-
brain drain is that when they go outside and earn money and they send to our country, the foreign currency exchange take place, which help us economically, and also their exchange of ideas
Also,
take place.